We're at one of the biggest Nike outlets in Southern California. This fool just passed his permit test. Congrats, Julio. That's why we're out here. All right, let's look around one of the biggest Nike outlets. And look at this, 20% off the back wall. Anthony from Tone Talks YouTube channel, where he covers a lot of political stuff. He hit me up. He's like, dude, I think it's the damn tariffs, dude. I don't know. Is it? Is it? We haven't seen 20% off it forever. It could be that they're not getting as much new stuff from China and Vietnam and all the other countries, so their warehouses are getting depleted. Obviously, they don't get anything new here. But look at this, LeBron 22s, $80. You get an extra 20 off on top, so that's what, 52 bucks. Like I said, 54 bucks. Oh wait, 64 bucks. I'm stupid. Still a hell of a price. Got a couple more. That was a 10.5. These are some 10s. And then I did see some GT Jump 2s right here. One of my favorite basketball shoes. These are size 11, $80. And that is a fantastic price. That drops that down to what, 66 bucks? No, $64. Why am I so bad at math today? 64 bucks. Not bad. One of the cheapest prices we've seen them. Jordan 1 Reimagines right here. Look at this. $80 after discount. These are going for 100 bucks. 100 bucks, $80 after discount. Looks like these just came off the back wall because I see quite a few of these in the 8.5. But I'm checking everything out, just doing a preliminary scan. I am in the women's section now. And of course, we gotta check the women's huge section to see if they have anything. No, not really seeing anything today. We are seeing extended size. Look at this. Look at this. $70 for the extra glittery forces right here. These are 11.5, so size 10. Yeah, these are going for $70. You get an extra 20 off. $56 for that. And look at these Pegasus trails right here. Look at this. $35. 35 bucks, dude. Holy crap. So that's $7 off. Under $30. Under $30 for these. Holy cow. These are size 10 men's. I was going to say they got multiple colors right now, but they got multiple of them at freaking 30 or under $30. That's crazy. Air Force One Wild, 75. Jordan 1 low slips, these are 10.5, $50. So that comes down to 40 bucks. They got additional sizes of these right here. Even size 10. Size 10 women's, 8.5 men's. Discounted under $30. Back in the men's size, I was curious to see where they started the extended size pricing in the men's. It's around 12.5. I think it's 12.5. Air Max 2013 is going for $90. Size 13 Zoom Creek 5's $40. Interesting enough, Immortality is going for more, $50. Infinity Run 4 is 55 bucks. An additional discount that's like what, 40 something dollars. Max RS6s, $80, size 13s. Got the GT Hustles. Yeah, these are not discounted at all. Dang, dude, only 20% off. Vomero 17s going for $60. All right, that is big feet gang sizes right there. Another thing I was curious about, men's clearance apparel. 20% off clearance apparel as well. I was going to bank a ton of videos this weekend because I'm going to be going to Korea starting next weekend. Yeah, it's one of the crappiest weekends because only 20% off. Is it going to be like this for a long time? Are they going to get stuff soon? I don't know. That jersey is $175. We had some of the steepest sales with Tech Fleece just a week ago, and now we're back to $90, 20% off. So what is that, 72 bucks? These were way low, and now they've gone back up. 65, 20 off of these. These salmon color ones, aka pink ones, going for 75. Tan ones going for 57. That's a pretty decent color. Regular fleece right here, 45. Large digital camo in olive, going for 90. Got the cargo pants we've seen at different spots. Jordan cargo, still 120 though. All right, let's finish off the back wall where we might make it short because only 20% off. 85 for the Lunar Roams. Air Max DNs right here go for 85. Pegasus Plus right here. We've been seeing these cheap at some of the other spots. $80. Invincible Runs 11.5, 130. Seen a bunch of these size 11s, but yeah, just size 11 though. I thought they came out the aisles, but nah, because I don't see them in all these other sizes, just size 11s, but I see a lot of them. Do got the Jordan 39s. These look like a return. These are going for $2. If you guys ever tried these, I don't know. Does it have Zoom Air? What does it have? I don't know. Can't really tell. It doesn't really show the tech. And look at this. How come these aren't sold as refurbished? Look at this. Come on. These are way more worn than the gently worn pairs. Supposed gently worn pairs. I don't know. Their return system sucks so bad. $2. They're still trying to get $2. Only 20 off of that too. If it was a refurb, the price would be way lower. 65 for the Cortezes. Size 11s. Jordan 1 High OGs go for 140. Ross specials right here, size 10.5, $95. And even with those only size 8s, there was another one, someone grabbed them. But yeah, only size 8s, we're not seeing those in a bunch of different sizes. Then we're seeing a few of these, acronym blazers. Like, I don't know, I feel like these sold out such a long time ago. 75 for those. I'm so confused, I don't know what the hell's going on here. 85 for the Infinity Run 4s. Got some Jordan 1 lows down here. Smaller size, but regular price. They do have a heat wall, but I just see this as an excuse for them not to give us 20% off. A couple of the retros. This is a grade school, it looks like. And then do got the Kobe 9 What the Elites, or Kobe 9 Elite What Does. Yeah, they're just trying not to give out discounts. Like even these lows, like we've been seeing these lows, right? The Bread 11 lows and these 12s right here. There's the graduation dunks. Oh, these are SB dunks. Okay, got a little tassel right here. If someone's graduated recently, that's kind of a cool thing. Size 9.5 right here. All right, they do have quite a few aisles. Let's go down the aisles. And pretty interesting right here, because they are starting off under retail. That's not what they've done in the past. Okay. And $90 for the Jordan 1 OG, the gold toes right here. Yeah, no, they don't call these the gold toes. Which one was this called? Because the gold toes are the other ones. But yeah, that's interesting because we saw it in the aisles and it was, or we saw it on the back wall and it was more expensive, right? Some mids, UNC mids right here. The Legend Blue, them in lows, couple of lows. I'm starting to see RMs. I think this is the first time I've ever seen one of these at the outlets in the aisles. Tatum 2s, and then Take 1 4s, and then a bunch of generic stuff, non-signature J's. Got some Calm slides going for more than the retail shows. Another one right here, as well as the Calm Mules. And dude got Benassi slides. Someone's like, cover slides. I was like, I cover whatever the hell's at the outlets, dude. If they don't have them, they don't have them. I've showed you guys the Benassi slides. These are the ones that are like hella hard. Bunch of Pegasus 2005s going for varying prices. I think that's the lowest one. Got a couple of Forces, all black. The focus right on these right now? I don't know. Got the Air Force 88s, trainers, Flight Legacies, black and hyper blue. And do got all kinds of dunks here. And in this aisle got more and more and more and even more. Vomero 5s right here, $60. Wow, $60. And of course I forgot to bring mine. I even said it like right when I left the house. I was like, oh my God, I forgot to bring it. And they have size 10.5 right there. I could have easily done my size swap. I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. God dang it. I'll remember eventually. And we see the prices going down, down, down. No extended size pricing or anything. I did check. What the hell is this? Vomero Roams? Wow, that's interesting. I'd never seen these before. Vomero top and then The bottom is more like the lunar rooms. Is that what it is? I don't know. No, the bottom is different. I don't know. I don't know how those are. I don't know. Whatever it is, but it's got more lunar roams. Air Max section got all kinds of 240s. The ends continue to go down in price. Air Max 90s, black and white, lightning colorway, safety orange camo, white and particle gray. There's nothing that shows blue. What the hell? Why is this shelf was shaking like crazy? What the hell? I think someone from the other side was putting something down. I don't know. Yeah, then got some 2013s, and then got, of course, 2017s. I always got a plethora of those. Got some Air Max 1s, got some blue ones, light bone, was it violet dust phantom? What the hell? Aluminum foils, black and white. One Air Max 90 in the back. And then running shoes wise, got some Pegasus deals. I think this is the dope one right here, the Pegasus Plus. And then, I don't know, is that going to eventually change to 40% off? That would be fire. These are going for, what, $66, which isn't bad. Which isn't bad, but still would be nice to get them for a little bit cheaper. See, even with that BS 20%, we can still find deals. Look at this, Tech Fleece. Go for $95, 50% off. But I do see a bunch of smalls, extra small. They got mediums of these, the brown ones right here. They got mediums, and they are going for $95. So $50 Tech Fleece is like $47.50. They even have a medium for that one, as well as a few smalls, and then even the pants. But the pants, they are all smalls, and they are going for $80. So these are, oh, this is only 20% off. So it's the jackets that are 50 off. They have a ton of Tech Fleece, all 20% off though. The hoodies right here, 20% off, $64. It's a dope color too. They got all the camo pants that we've seen a million times. They got this ice blue looking color, I don't know, glacier ice, I think. $76, 20 off. They got this dark navy one. I think I have this one at home. I think it's a small, $80. So they still have some decent deals. I think that's the big one, 50% off the jackets. Got a section right here where it's 40% off. It says bottoms only though. So $50 for these shirts. I've said the running shirts are so freaking expensive. And then bottoms only, the name of my future club or bar. But yeah, that is $60, so $30 for these pants right here. These compression pants looking things go for $70. Okay. But yeah, they do have a lot of red tags. Most of it 20% off though, which is kind of a bummer. We've gotten used to that 40% off. Dang it, they've spoiled us for too long. 20% off, still not that bad, but I don't know, we just like 40%. All right, here we go. 60 for these. All right, let's finish off the women's section over here. We got some DNs. The bottom 115. These are the ones that we saw for hella cheap. $50 or $40 after the discount, but yeah, $30 is way better for the bigger sizes. $129.99, kind of a ripoff for the Infinity Run 4s since we've seen them so cheap. $60 for the Dunk Highs. Air Force One Wilds go for $75. The Invincible runs right here, $130, a little bit more than I want to pay, especially with only 20 off. Oh, I need to drop one of these off to my boys. He's got one for his daughter. I think it's an 8.5. I think it's this size. I got it for way cheaper. These are $85. Kind of the same stuff in size 9s. Some Air Force One Wild. Seeing a lot of duplicate stuff. The women's section, I think this is the move. If you need some trail shoes, Juniper Trail 2s, kind of a lower end trail shoe, but dude, under $30, like $28, dude. Wow. All right, let's finish up the women's aisles, and then we're gonna check out a few other stores. And I will be banking a ton, as many as I can, so I can have video for you guys while I'm in Korea. I'm gonna be out there for 2 weeks. And I don't know, hopefully we can find some factory stores out there. I don't know if they have outlets or if they just have regular store. I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I'll have videos from Korea. But yeah, I got women's Cortez. This is the Forrest Gump colorway. Extra long haired suede, my favorite. Got some calm slides. Got tons and tons of dunks, and we're gonna see more and more. This is what the Rose Whisperer. Got more in this aisle here as well. The University Red. Got the super suede ones right there, and then got the apricot ones and Vomero 5s. Gonna see a million of these soon. This is a pretty cool colorway though. P6000. Of course, Air Max 270s right here. I think that's it, man. A bunch of generic stuff. Generic. I hope not every Nike Outlet is this tough, but we still saw a few deals. We did see those GT jumps. That is a hell of a price, even with only 20% off. And then we did see those Tech Fleece deals. We also saw those LeBrons. That's not that bad of a price, not great, but that's not bad. So still got deals, you guys, still got deals. One of the Air Forces, I forgot to show you guys. I gave one to my baby mama drama. I gave one to her already. This one going to one of my friends, and then I still need to give these out, and then I still need to give these out to my kid, to my boys, so he can give it to his daughter. But yeah, still got a few more stuff to give out. And I can return these now that I got one for hella cheap. Oh man, that was such a good plan.